Hi, bro. Brother, I have something to tell you. You must be thinking, why can't I wait till we meet? I just don't have the courage. Actually, this video is about the girl that I'm in love with. Maya, 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 Maya. Every time I call out her name, I have this amazing feeling inside me. Brother, how do I describe her to you? She's a complete mystery. A mystery which leaves me completely breathless. When she saved my life in that event, I just went crazy about her. And if I hadn't been to her house that night just to impress her, then she wouldn't have been crazy about me. Maya is completely strange. Sometimes she scares me, sometimes she burns her hand, and sometimes the bed. And I don't understand why, but she just keeps hiding from this world.
Because she knew. That the day Rishi's father is going to find out about her, that's going to be the last day of her life. You killed my son Rishi, Manvi. You killed my son.
No. It was not me. You killed him. You killed my baby and I killed your son. You made my life miserable and I did the same thing to you. No. You can't tell this to Rudra, or else I will tell him everything about our past. Everything that you have done to me. I will tell him why I killed Rishi.
Go and tell him, Manvi. Tell him everything. I will just lose my honor, but he is going to hate you. Because you have killed his brother. And now he is going to hate you from all his heart and his soul. Because you murdered Rishi. It was you, Manvi, who killed him.
Rudra can't hate me.
Your love will turn out to be your noose, Manvi. Rudra's hate will act like a rope. And Rishi's death will give Rudra the courage to pull that rope.
No, you won't say Rudra anything. You won't say him anything.
Leave me alone!
MJ, please. MJ shouldn't reach Rudra.
I promise you, henceforth, your love is my love. Your hatred is my hatred.
चाहा तुझे दिल ने मेरे तो सांसों ने धोखा दिया। तेरी हुई यूं इस तरह कि खुद से हुई मैं जुदा। सब ले गया तो फिर मेरे जीने की सारी वजह। तेरी खलिश तेरी खला को दिल में यूं दी है जगह।
Go and tell him, Manvi. Tell him everything. I will just lose my honor, but you, he is going to hate you.
Rudra! Where is Rudra? Rudra? MJ, where is he?
I taught Rishi how to walk with these hands. I roamed with him. I fed him. I showered love on him. Now with these same hands I'm going to kill you. Manvi, you killed my son. You snatched my sweetheart away from me. Who will save you now?
Where is Rudra?
He is where he should be. Away from you. Where you can never harm him. The way you harmed my... When Rudra gets to know that you killed his younger brother so brutally, you know he is going to hate you. Perhaps he's going to know that you're a monster. Rishi left a message for you. I've given him the camcorder, Manvi. Now he'll learn about everything. He will get to know about you. And I didn't want you to be with Rudra when he watches the recording. Perhaps he could have done something dangerous. He could have killed you. You know what? I did not want my son to kill a sinner like you, Manvi. Because that's my job.
I waited 10 years for this moment, MJ. And in these years, my zeal for vengeance kept me alive. I lost everything in these 10 years. I lost even myself. I lost my humanity too. After that, Rudra taught me to enjoy life. And you've snatched him away from me. My love couldn't become successful, but my hatred will serve its purpose.